It done, and everybody can deal with everything. I'm provoking. And I leave the man here, make him run me. I feel bad. My daughter will give me the 2 grandbaby. Me the guy had one one evening park up, nice park at that but me now. Normally me that park from the front and call her and run going. My park up good. So you know me have to walk from the parking what's up name? The parking lot to the yard. When me go and press the buzzer, I say, Mommy, the voice notes weren't disrespectful. It was confession. He spoke the truth feeling towards Queenie and how he feels about marriage. Impress him, Carlene. After I never beg on a friend do it for marriage to me. Don't make do it. No. Then all right. You might show him true expression to Carlene. Make me on a reason now. Him never meet Carlene yet. Him gonna know her on the phone. Yeah. Calling in at the man, yes, on the day she see me put up the man picture because the man and Nara look them one another from when them up on the phone before me coming at the picture. So when Colleen see me now put up the picture she done me, the mix up man, give me the woman picture and make me listen to the woman voice note. So me just dash up her picture on my Instagram and play her voice note. So she start all a vendetta against me. So when my married and Black do it, her friend do it, say, look at this. Carlene, but we do it trick me and tell me say Carlene him ex-girlfriend friend. Me never know say Carlene I'm friend ex-friend. Carlene is in the business. So when him rejoice say Carlene block him back after me put her up, me not take nothing to it. You don't understand? Leave me and people business alone and not too fast. My girl, cheers to Carlene. That's how you make problem rude. If Mr. Carlene no, me no know Carlene at that at. Carlene, you know matter to so many no matter Mr. Carlene has still. So you get one girl now where you hear class of Queenie and nobody Queenie me no remember the voice note. Queenie crutches in the all the next all something. Queenie crutches big and stretch out and shouty. She talk something about me. Just because she see me I'm mad overdo, you know. And she have do it before me, I never look on blood by do evil lollipop. Anyway. So for him done me now with Carlene, so because him get me now. So she had a chase it sweet at kids. So tell Carlene and everything about Queen come soon come in and see him reach a hell now she can't get them. Move your blood. You never rate the man. Carlene will beat me. You and Carlene me and Carlene all our slobber dash them at the nurse place. Me beat her and put her 6 use God and beat her. Be send Carlene and the one clad songs over Dirty South. The one order from over Dirty South. My beat out to not what I make do with Queenie is sick my stomach. Alright, bye. The sick your stomach, come off from my page. You get black. Come off. Yeah. My sick your stomach, come off of my page. What your stomach are you still there? Yes, like bird. Leg of the bird. But enough more mouth him leg or something I know when I friend of me. But when I eat that, that not too enough up in our people business. But telling them. So I'm just there Jamaica where they in September. I'm going to do it for and I'm a Clyde. It's not everything good for eat, good for talk. On a move on a nor do it can't frighten me, fool me, nor trick me. I'm too smart, I'm too grown up, I'm too experienced, I'm too smart, I'm too wise, I'm too beautiful and clever. You can't frighten black. You want to hear what me hear and see what me then I can't tell me say Queenie, do what you do 10 more times. But it's not husband. He will grow. My faith that if something good must come out of this. You understand me? You know, you say, man, Carlene up on the live. Tell them the side and side, I rock my baby. Don't move. Money, money, money. If are you give me money and take it back a while ago? If you're gonna give me money and take it back, do not play with me because what them say, me have silver. It is what quick silver. All right, money time. Don't talk, Queenie. See the money something there. All right. You there, me? Oh God, I want me see it. Papi them a chat here. That's a little boy go. How time now? Papi are out at that time. Cock your ears and close your eyes. I'm looking fine for my ears. Oh, that's a nice compliment. Thank you. Quicksilver. See the word, yeah? Mm-hmm. I never hear me tell God in our voice notes, say, for me, if you sit down and wait pan, God forbid it. Me, I want girl where, if me and you go out, 100 do the same one, breed. Yeah, either do the same one 100. So you fool. You see me, Queenie. Let me tell you the difference with me. Me not take check where myself concerned. I'm very protective of myself. You see, when me go out and me see 100 people draw me and hug me or something, in my mind, I say, God cover me from the crown of my head to the sole of my feet. You understand? At 22 years, me there with that man for and give him 5 pennies. Someone can't even walk with a man for all him hand. You can't chat to me about me in a class, me a quality. You hear that? But back to the reason. Thing. Negative. So don't sit there and bash the queen. Learn from the queen. You look a young boy. Someone self-harm, God forbid, and me nah mock nobody with self-harm because it's not nice. Someone go through so much. If the man did treat your daughter like this, would you be okay with it? My daughter choice is my daughter choice. No one know what no one's doing anyone at any given point. It's what someone come out and proudly stand up to say is the bulletin point. So, let me reason with you now. You know how much woman live with man for years, and them man abuse them kids. And them know, and them sit down and them shut up. You know how much ladies sit down and them man breed them sister, them cousin, and do them all sort and them shut up. Them not talk, it stifle them. So nobody in this entire world know what's going on with anybody at times. Cause no fear. And it's not everything me telling you. Talk say. Yeah, back to back reason. My reason with you know. I'm gonna sit down and chat to one and say big woman. Big respectable woman. Cause whether no one respect me, yes or no, I am respectable, you know. I am respectable. That's why I reach this far. That's why I sit down here and listen to me. Because I'm full of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. My baby father, him and a beat a man. But him lick me enough